Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on cloud computing and AWS global infrastructure. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is cloud computing? Benefits of cloud computing, types of cloud computing, types of cloud computing first type, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, cloud computing with AWS, AWS global infrastructure of AWS cloud. In this I'll go in much more detail. AWS regions and availability zones, detail. North America region, AWS local zones, AWS wavelength, AWS outpost, AWS points of presence, Amazon CloudFront global edge network, cloud security at AWS, AWS cloud compliance, and accessing AWS services. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing enables delivery of compute, power, storage, and other IT resources via the internet on demand. It allows users to obtain resources as needed without long-term commitments. This model allows users to pay only for the IT resources they consume, avoiding the cost associated with unused capacity or over-provisioning. Users can quickly provision the type and size of resources they require for any project or application, providing the agility to respond to changing business needs. Cloud computing removes the need for large initial investment in physical hardware and the ongoing burden of managing this hardware, shifting the focus to innovation and development. The cloud offers a comprehensive range of services, including servers, storage solutions, and databases, all accessible over the internet for a variety of applications. Through a web applications, users can easily provision, manage, and scale resources provided by a cloud services platform like Amazon Web Services, which manages the underlying hardware. So, benefits of cloud computing. So instead of large upfront investment in data centers and servers, cloud computing allows you to pay only for the resources you use, making expenses variable and directly tied to your consumption. With cloud computing, you benefit from the aggregated usage of hundreds of thousands of customers, leading to lower cost due to providers like AWS, achieving significant economies of scale, which in turn offers lower pay-as-you-go prices. Cloud computing removes the need to predict infrastructure capacity. You can scale resources up or down as needed with minimal notice, avoiding the cost of unused resources or the challenges of limited capacity. The availability of IT resources with just a few clicks reduces the time from weeks to minutes to make these resources available to developers, significantly enhancing organizational agility and lowering the cost and time of experimentation and development. Cloud computing enables you to focus on innovation and serving your customers, rather than on the infrastructure necessary to run your businesses, by eliminating the need for racking, stacking, and powering the servers. Deploy your application in multiple regions around the world quickly and easily, providing your customers with lower latency and a better experience at a minimal cost. Types of cloud computing. So we have three types. I will be covering all these three in detail. So we have public, private, and hybrid. Public cloud characteristics are it's third-party provider, it is multi-tenant, so there are multiple customers, and pay-as-you-go model. So companies can have private cloud, and these characteristics are dedicated infrastructure, enhanced control, and on-premises or hosted. Third type is hybrid, which is like a workload distribution between the two. And this facilitates data interchange between the public and private cloud, and this requires secure connectivity between those two clouds. So first type, public cloud. So this is fully deployed in the cloud. Applications run entirely on cloud infrastructure. This includes apps either built in the cloud or migrated from existing infrastructure to leverage cloud benefits. Cloud applications can utilize low-level infrastructure or higher-level services for abstraction from core infrastructure management. Next is private cloud. So resources in private cloud are deployed on premises, utilizing virtualization and resource management tools. This setup offers dedicated resources but lacks many of the benefits associated with cloud computing. The primary goal of this model is to enhance resource utilization. It achieves this through the application of application management and virtualization technologies. The private cloud model closely resembles traditional legacy IT infrastructure. Next is last type is hybrid cloud, and this connects cloud-based resources with on-premises infrastructure, extending an organization infrastructure into the cloud and linking cloud resources to internal systems. Hybrid deployments are common for organizations looking to expand their infrastructure while maintaining a connection to on-premises resources. Cloud computing with AWS. So this is world's most comprehensive cloud. AWS offers a broad cloud service coverage globally, serving millions of customers. Over 200 fully featured services. So from data centers worldwide, AWS provides a vast array of services in various domains. Most functionality across technologies. AWS leads with the highest number of services and features, including AI, ML, analytics, and IoT. Deepest functionality within services. Offers a wide variety of purpose-built databases for optimal cost and performance. Largest community of customers and partners, so millions of active customers and tens of thousands of partners across all industries. Most secure cloud computing environment designed to meet the highest security standards, supported by comprehensive security tools and certifications. Fastest pace of innovation. AWS continuously introduces new technologies such as AWS Lambda for serverless computing and Amazon SageMaker for machine learning. Most proven operational expertise. So over 17 years of operational experience providing mature, reliable and secure cloud services to a broad spectrum of customers. And that's all. I'll be continuing this lecture in the next video.